Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to notify team on Google Chat for new Facebook leads and send SMS. So I am an owner of a travel agency and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. I have created a lead form with the help of which I collect my leads travel inquiries. So here what my objective is that whenever one of my potential customers, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, I want to send that lead an SMS thanking them for showing the interest in our services first using Twilio. And with that, I also want to notify my team on the Google Chat space that I've created, telling them the new lead has been generated with lead details. And if I'm going to do this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was, I simply created an automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. With the help of Pabbly Connect, we're going to create an automation between all of these applications, okay? So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to notify team on Google Chat from new Facebook leads and send SMS. So I am running a travel company that offers exclusive vacation packages. A potential customer sees our ad on Facebook and submits a lead form showing interest in one of our high-end resorts. With this integration, as soon as the lead is generated, my sales team is instantly notified via Google Chat, allowing them to promptly reach out to provide personalized service. At the same time, the customer receives an automated SMS thanking them for their interest and reassuring them that our team will be in touch shortly. This immediate acknowledgement not only makes the customer feel valued, but also sets the tone of premium service they expect, increasing the likelihood of turning the lead into a booking. And we are going to be creating this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Notify Team on Google Chat for new Facebook leads and send SMS. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow. And for that, click on this field. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook lead ads automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on create. In order to create a workflow is created in the name of Notify Team on Google Chat for new Facebook leads and send SMS. And there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these 2 concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step and multiple action steps. Firstly, we're going to set up our trigger step. And for the trigger application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as Facebook lead ads. As with the help of Facebook lead ads, I'm promoting my business, as my objective is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers using Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So that is how for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant. Okay. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads. But before that, remember to log into your Facebook account on a new tab beforehand, so that connecting Facebook can be much easier to Pabbly Connect. Okay, as I've already logged into my Facebook account, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. As you can see that we successfully authorized Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. So for the page, I've created a page in my Facebook account in the name of Luxury Stays. So this is the name of my business, and I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads with the help of this page right over here. So for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Luxury Stays. Okay. Next, it is asking for us to select a lead gen form. So I've created a lead ads form in the name of marketing form. So for the form, I've selected it as marketing form because this is the lead gen form that I've created with the help of which my leads are going to be generated. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, over here it says save and send test request. But before that, before clicking on this button, over here it says simple response. We're going to toggle this button right over here, okay? And then we're going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we are going to do is we are going to generate a test lead with the help of which we are going to check whether Facebook lead ads is fully connected to Pabbly Connect or not. And how we're going to generate the test lead with the help of the Meta's lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool, we can generate the test lead, okay? It is asking for us to select the page first. So the page over here, I'm going to select it as luxury stays and for the form as marketing form. After selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on this preview form button. So this is the form that I've created with the help of Facebook lead ads. It's a lead gen form with the help of which all the leads are going to be generated. We're going to do the test submission with the help of this form. For the city over here, I'm going to select the city like Goa, okay? For the first name over here, I'm going to write it as test. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as lead. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testlead3@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As you can see that it says a test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect workflow that I've created and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the new lead being generated or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow. I'm going to scroll down and yes, you can see right over here after scrolling down, the response of the new lead being generated is successfully captured in my trigger step. For the first name being test, last name being lead, email as testlead3@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, the mobile number with the city as Goa. So this means that Facebook lead ads is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the new lead being generated. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. As my objective is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers using Facebook lead ads, I want to first send an SMS to that customer thanking them for the interest that they have shown in our services. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our action step. And I will be sending the SMS with the help of Twilio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my action application as Twilio. And for the action event, I'm going to select it as send SMS. As now we're going to send an SMS to the lead that has been generated, okay? After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear on which you click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it is asking for the account SID and the authorization token. So we are going to have the account SID and the authorization token with the help of our Twilio account. So I'm going to open my Twilio account. After opening my Twilio account, on the dashboard, we're going to have the access of the account SID and the auth token. I'm going to copy this account SID from here. I'm going to paste it right over here and right over here, okay? And for the authorization token, you can see an auth token is provided to us. So I'm going to copy it from here and paste it right over here. After filling the details, I'm going to click on this save button. As you can see that Twilio is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for the body of the SMS that we want to forward to all of our leads that are generated using Facebook lead ads. So for the body of the SMS, I'm going to write it as... So this is the body of the SMS that I want to send to my customers. It says, hey. Next to hey, I want the customer's name. So for having the customer's name, that is the lead's name, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is, as soon as I'm going to click on this field, you can see it says Facebook lead ads new lead instant. As I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here, we want the lead's name. So from my previous response, we have received the lead's name right over here. So I'm going to select the data from my previous response. First name space the last name. As I have selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped, and as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the data in place of this mapped data is going to be updated, okay? After that, it is asking for the sender's name. We want to enter the sender's name that has been approved by our Twilio account. So on our Twilio account, on the same dashboard, we have the Twilio number. So I'm going to copy this number from here and I'm going to paste it right over here, okay? After that, it is asking for the recipient mobile number, on which mobile number do we want to send an SMS to. So I'm going to map the data of the mobile number of my customer, okay? After that, we're going to click on the save and send test request button. Before that, as in the place of recipient mobile number, I've entered a dummy mobile number. You can see right over here. So SMS cannot be forwarded to this number. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to remove this number from here. In place of the recipient number, I'm going to enter my mobile number and I'm going to check whether an SMS has been forwarded to my number or not. So I'm going to enter my mobile number. So as I've entered my mobile number, now I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have received a response right over here, which is a positive response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my number. and I'm going to tell you whether we have received the SMS or not. For that, I'm going to share the screenshot that I've received. So this is the SMS that I've received. As you can see right over here on my number, it says send from your Twilio trial account. It says, hey test lead. This was the name of the lead that was generated. It says, thank you for your interest in our luxury travel packages. Our team has received your inquiry and will be in touch with you shortly to help you plan your perfect getaway. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message or call us at this number. We look forward to assisting you. So this is the message that has been forwarded to my number with the help of Twilio. And as in this message, you can see it says send from your Twilio trial account. As the account that I have in my Twilio is a trial account, so that is why this sentence has also been added to this SMS right over here, okay? But if you have a paid account with Twilio, the sentence is not going to be there in the SMS that has been forwarded, okay? So as now we have received the SMS successfully, this means that it successfully forwarded the SMS to all of our customers with the help of Twilio. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead an SMS is going to be forwarded with the help of Twilio, okay? So after setting up our action step, now our objective is to notify the team on the Google chat space that we have created with the lead details of the new lead being generated with the help of Facebook lead ads. So we're going to add another action step to this workflow. And for the action application over here, we are going to select it as Google Chat. As now we're going to send notification to our team on the Google Chat space that we have created. As you can see, that is the space that I've created in my Google Chat in the name of new lead details. And in this space, I will be notifying my team, telling them the new lead being generated with the lead details, okay? So what we are going to do is now we're going to set up our action step, and for the action application, I've selected it as Google Chat Hangout, and for the action event, I'm going to select as create message. As now we're going to send a message on this Google Chat space that we have created. After that, we're going to click on this connect button. Over here, after click on connect, it is asking for the chat webhook URL and the message that we want to forward to the Google chat space that we have created, okay? So for having the chat webhook URL, we're going to click on this hyperlink learn more right over here. As you're going to do that, you will be forwarded towards this page. If you're going to scroll down, you're going to see the steps given here below in the help desk to have the access of the chat webhook URL that Pabbly Connect is asking for. So to have the access of the chat webhook URL, you need to open the space that you have created in your Google Chat account. So there's a space that I've created in the name of new lead details, okay? Next to this name of the space, it's an arrow is provided to us. We're going to click on this arrow, and after that, from these options, you have to click on this apps and integrations button. As we're going to do that, under apps and integration, it says webhooks. We're going to select it. The webhooks is then going to appear, and over here it says add webhooks. We're going to click on it. It is asking for the webhook name. So for the webhook name over here, I'm going to give it as new lead alert, okay? And for the avatar URL in the help desk, an avatar URL is provided. So I'm going to copy this link from here, and I'm going to paste this link right over here, and then I'm going to click on the save button. As I've done that, a webhook has been added to my space. I'm going to copy this link from here, and this is the chat webhook URL. So I'm going to paste it right over here. I'm going to close the help desk. So this is the chat webhook URL, okay? After that, it is asking for the message that we want to send on the space that we have created in our Google Chat to our team. So what we are going to do is, for the message over here, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message that I want to send on my team. It says new lead alert, platform as Facebook lead ads, lead's name, email, phone number, interested in, action required. Please reach out to the lead promptly. Let's ensure we provide the best possible services to secure this booking, okay? So for the data of my leads, I'm going to map the data over here, okay? For the lead's name, I'm going to map the data of the lead, first name space the last name. For the email of my lead, I'm going to map the data of the email. For the phone number over here, I'm going to map the data of the phone number. Similarly, for the interested in over here, I'm going to select the city that they have selected, okay? After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. And as I've done that, you can see we have received a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my Google Chat space that I've created, and I'm going to check whether a notification regarding the new lead being generated is forwarded to my space or not. So for that, I'm going to open my Google Chat space that I've created. And yes, you can see right over here, notification regarding the new lead alert has been forwarded to my space that I've created with the lead detail, platform as Facebook lead ads, name as test lead, email as testlead3@pabblytools.com, for the phone number a dummy mobile number, and city as Goa. So this piece that is successfully created an automation between Facebook lead ads, Twilio, and Google Chat with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a travel agency. I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So here my objective was that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers for the travel inquiries with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically to the customer first a thank you SMS should be forwarded, thanking them for the interest that they have shown in our services. I forward the SMS with the help of Twilio. And then I also wanted to notify my team on the Google Chat space that I've created, alerting them with the new lead being generated and with the lead details. And for that, I've created this amazing automation between Facebook lead ads, Twilio and Google Chat with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.